multiple shops. I've turned them around. I think what we're implementing here is the lean manufacturing. I've got 15 years of lean manufacturing training. Implementing that here has been huge. That's where most of our cost savings have come from. The biggest thing is I empower the employees here. I let them know that they're not just the hourly machinist. You know, they have just as much stake in this as I do.
My name's Rustin Daniels. I've been here for roughly 5 years now. I started out in the warehouse. A little over 2 years ago, I moved into the strategic sales support specialist role. Over this course of time, obviously, we've brought on some new salesmen. The salesmen all over the world that we help out from this location on the IS machine parts. It is working together, learning each other's abilities and learning these products, trying to push forward changes we've made, the steps we've taken to help them out, get this stuff out to their customer on an on-time manner for them to get the delivery as quick as we can. Just all working together as a team, and that's the big thing.
We're going to make a quality part delivered on time at the lowest cost possible. And as long as everybody has that goal, we can't lose.
I've been here almost 27 years. We've had a lot of major changes in the last 6 or 7 months. Most of it is definitely for the better. Quality has gone up. Our main focus right now, along with delivery time, we have some really good products coming out. And I think the more people that get to try them, the better we're going to be.
I've been in the industry for 42 years. My job here is mainly to design and test new products, maintain the legacy products that we have out there, research new processes and materials that advance our products in the glass industry. What's hot is the new types of IS machines, NIS and IS machines, NIS and AIS machines are coming on board. I think using the new design softwares such as SolidWorks has improved our lead times and being more responsive to the customers. It's helped in developing our patterns quicker because we can afford the models to the pattern maker. It's helping on the machine side. It helps with the programmers on the floor that program the parts.
I think what's been the biggest change is just taking what we already do and revamping it. The customer is going to know that we take pride in what we do, and we're going to pass that on. They're going to know that when they get a part from Pyrotek, they're proud to put that part in their product. Part of the new quality implementation is there's a quality inspection tag that goes out with every single part that has a name on it. That's how proud of it we are. And we're going to deliver it, and it's going to work as soon as I put it in. And they're right the first time.
Better than I've ever seen.
I think we're headed the right direction.
Everything we're doing is going the right direction.
And we're able to move this plant forward in the right direction.